We are in Brooklyn.
We are on.
The Brooklyn Bridge.
It is
Tuesday, June 6th?
good question.
6th. It's June 6th. It's June 6th.
Maybe.
I know it's June 6th.
And
This
we
is where
are-
Miles lives. Where is he? Sorry, what were you gonna say?
What? Does Miles live in Brooklyn?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm thinking of Peter.
Peter's in Queens.
Anyway, we are
The kitchen. Oh, Ryan, what are we? Welcome. Welcome to our video. There's a building over there that looks like a shark fin.
shark fin soup.
Don't eat shark fin soup. That's
Do not
bad.
eat shark fin soup.
So,
Helicopter.
yeah, that's helicopter.
Ryan, capture the helicopter.
There.
It's hot up here.
Hot air rises. Your daily science lesson. I don't know why. I think because cold air is denser than hot air. I don't remember. My last science class was 4 years ago.
You know, one of my favorite theater YouTubers had to, I think, cross this bridge dressed up as a member of the cast of Cats as a punishment.
Now, is that the end of the bridge or the start of the bridge?
It can be whatever you want it to be.
Alright. Isn't this the bridge where Giselle and the Prince guy, I forgot his name, James Marsden, they were walking here on
Really?
their date?
Oh, I think so.
Yeah, it was like right here.
Was it the wood part?
I think so.
So does that mean all the people in the background were like
Actual
not
people?
Yeah.
Probably. Either that or extras.
Another bridge. That one's the Manhattan Bridge.
Yeah. Like a helicopter has passed over the Brooklyn Bridge.
Who sings New York, New York?
Alicia Keys and Jay-Z.
Dot.
This is cool.
Is that a third helicopter?
I don't know. That motorcycle is farting. There's a nice breeze now.
Ah.
Appreciate that.
And now we have a scenic shot of Abby. And we have Pondering Ryan.
Apparently there was this one sports broadcast that used stock footage of New York so old the Twin Towers were still in it.
Bro.
Cool.
Like how we have to hold our hats.
It heckin' windy.
Heckin' windy, bro.
It's a good day to choose not to wear a hat.
Alright, we are nearing the end of the bridge. Right, Ryan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I find an interesting parallel between London and New York?
What is it?
The amount of bridges that are on both sort of cities.
Yeah.
Like London's divided by the Thames River, and then this is obviously divided by the Hudson River, or whatever this is. I think this is Hudson, I'm not sure.
This is in Hudson Bay.
But anyway, pointing out like the number of bridges is like it's a cool sort of way to highlight the importance that port cities have and the economic advantages that a city near a large stream of water has.
Huh?
I don't know. I'm ranting about city planning.
You said history of the Statue of Liberty. I don't remember. I think it was like somebody French made it, and then it's made of bronze or no copper. It's made of copper, and since it's been up for so long, and you know it's literally on an island surrounded by water, it like oxidizes really fast. And if you don't know, when copper oxidizes, instead of like rusting like most metal does, like turning brown from silver, it goes from copper color to green. That's why the Statue of Liberty is green, because she's oxidized as heck, baby.
Yep.
Too bad, like we can't really feel the bridge swaying right now.
It can't sway.
It can sway.
No, it's
Yeah.
metal.
No, exactly.
Metal can sway.
It has to sway, otherwise
Oh.
the metal will like bend and snap.
Oh yeah, you're right. My bad. Sorry.
But like Ryan, why would you want to feel that? That's terrifying.
No, but in like those, like when we went to Nickelodeon Universe, those coasters, like those indoor roller coasters, like the ones that go up to the ceiling. If you like look at videos, they sway.
Yeah, because if you have like a force going across or over or under it, if the metal has no give, it'll just snap, right? Something.
All architectural things have lifespans, right?
Yeah.
Like nothing's really built to last forever, unless it's something like, you know, the pyramids of Giza, which have been around for long and will probably be around
Over like 100.
Yeah.
Over like. So the moral of the story is the Brooklyn Bridge is not immortal. It will be gone if we stop maintaining it, considering it's built over a literal river. Continue to stand. Unless someone decides they're going to be really lax in their safety protocols.
Alright, we're almost at the end. We're almost at the end of the bridge. We are basically at the end of the bridge now. Look at these buildings. They're so big.
Is it red?
Alright, yep.
Yep. Hi. We're back.
Boy, tripped over a plank of wood.
We're at the end of the Brooklyn Bridge, pretty much.
I stared directly at the sun.
There is no longer any wind. That's a lie, but like, I mean, the wind no longer feels like it wants to pick us off the bridge and throw us into the river. You know, like a vengeful deity.
Yeah. I want to talk about Spider-Man so badly.
Let's talk about Spider-Man.
Alright,
Can't though. Well, we can't
right,
because
right,
spoilers.
right. Alright.
5 syllables. Miguel O'Hara.
oh yeah, that is fine.
Oh my god.
Sorry, I
You
had to
literally
count.
saw me counting it out on my hand.
Sorry, I had to count it myself, man.
But yeah, you will understand if/when you watch the
I
movie.
love Miguel. The movie was good. You should go watch it.
We're on solid ground again. We're no
gosh.
longer walking on
My
planks of
legs feel
wood.
wobbly.
Welcome
We're
to
just on
Manhattan.
boring concrete now.
Yeah, we're on boring. Look at the concrete. Look at the concrete.
We're
camera.
in
Camera, look at the
Manhattan
concrete.
now.
Some boring concrete,
Did
bro.
we're in Manhattan now. Yippee!
Made it. We made it. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we're at the end.
She hung back and proceeded to push me completely out of the shot.
Yeah, we're at the. We're past the end now.
Aim for that guy. This is like
What guy?
that guy.
The statue?
Yeah, that guy.
Can the camera see that?
Yeah.
Probably like that. Ooh, that's nice.
Well,
That's really nice looking. I can actually look at the sun.
I still wouldn't recommend it though.
I already did.
Yeah, I already did. My vision's already garbage. What's a little
Yeah,
more?
I'm seeing spots.
Yeah.
I still want to talk about Spider.
I yawned. Okay.
Let's see.
What can we talk about Spider-Man without spoiling the movie?
Let's talk about the spot. Alright, we're closing now.
Oh, okay.
So that was our walk
Across the Brooklyn Bridge.
Yes.
You got a lot of rambling.
Yeah. Ryan talked about
Let's
History.
yeah, a lot of history.
Uh-huh.
Structural integrity of
Yeah.
bridges and how
Among other
and how
things.
nothing built will ever last.
yeah. And then I held the camera.
Yeah.
Alright.
Anyway, we are Kitchen Crew.
Kitchen Crew.
Or what's I was about to say what's left.
Huh?
What's left of Kitchen Crew in New York?
Oh.
Yeah.
Or like
60% of
Yes.
Kitchen Crew right now.
yeah, that.
But yeah, so yeah, this was 60% of Kitchen Crew doing our little vlog thingy. And so yeah, bye. We'll see you.
Like, comment, subscribe for more.
Yeah.
Yeah. We've got some more coming, I bet. Yeah. See ya.
Alright. Bye. How do I